This is not glued down. This is a glueless wig. It's gonna look like you laid it down. Meanwhile, you didn't. I want you to scream, yeah. Oh, hey loves, and welcome back to another hair video. And this hair is from OMG Her. Oh my god. OMG Her. And as usual, we always start off our videos doing a quick unboxing so that we know what we get and what you see in the box as well. So this is what comes in the box. You have the hair right here, perfectly packaged in this drawstring bag. As usual, we like to save the best for the last. I'm gonna keep that over there. We have their melting band with this rat tail comb for styling. We have this HD wig cap over here as well. We also have a thank you card. So let's get right into the business, into why we're here, into our baby. This one is okay, so this is what it comes in. It comes in this drawstring bag, obviously for safekeeping, for storing, for traveling, multi-use. So now this hair came in a natural color. It has 180% density and the hair texture is an ocean wave. So it's gonna give you that beautiful wavy look, and I feel like this would be perfect for just by the name alone, I could tell this would be perfect for like a vacation, you know, getting it wet on that water. So this is what the wig looks like right here. This is what the curl pattern is like. So this hair has an ocean wave texture. This came in their 3D dome cap, so it's gonna fit snug on your head. And it also has this drawstring as well. This is a 9x6 lace closure wig. You're gonna have a lot of parting space when it comes to like styling the hair. And also we have combs in the sides and at the back, and these are like Velcro combs, so you can take it out, put it back if you want to use it. You also have drawstrings to kind of snatch it up and get it right. I want to put this on my head to see what it looks like. We move this forward and I think we are good. And guys, this hair came pre-styled, it came pre-plucked, it came pre-bleached, it came pre-cut, and basically this is a pre-ready to wear wig. So if you want something to put on that looks good straight out of the box, then I give it to this one. This one definitely is. I feel like I don't even need to melt it down because it already looks melted. But look at this, like it is not melted. It's basically glueless, as you can see. And it looks like it is sitting perfectly on my head. And thanks to the 3D dome cap, it's just contoured to my forehead and it looks perfect. Again, this is a 9x6 closure wig. You can see literally this is where this closure stops. This is giving me frontal. This hair right here is a minimum effort wig, and this is what the hair looks like straight out of the box. So I'm going to just melt down the lace using this melting spray. I'm just gonna spray a little bit as well. Deeper parts, like so. Melt this down as well. Let me use a little bit of wax stick, just created a part. So I'm being very minimum with it. I don't know if it's just me, but the fact that I just created this part and I kind of ruined the curls a little bit. I like how this side is looking not so defined, but like it's getting somewhere. So I feel like this hair will look so sexy once it's fluffed out and kind of brushed out as well. So let me just go ahead to melt down this lace. I'm very much tempted to release the curls, so I'm going to just finger comb it. I'm gonna be using my hair serum, and I'm doing this because I want to go ahead to separate the curls. So we're just going to do light combing through with my hands to really loosen up the curls and to see what it looks like when we've kind of combed it out. Yes, this is not looking like perfection. So let me loosen up this and see the melting. See how melted this is looking. This is what we want. This is what you want. I feel like the closure is a bit longer, so I'm gonna trim it down so that everything's on the same length. I don't know if you guys can see. Like, it's definitely longer by like 2 inches. So I'm just gonna trim it down so that everything falls beautifully together. Literally that much. And just comb it out and see. Yeah, that looks better. This side looks better than this side. Does that make sense? So let me just cut off this excess piece right here. Okay, so this is what the hair looks like, guys. I did little to no styling when it came to this wig. All I did was to use my melting spray to melt the lace down. Again, you don't have to do anything when it comes to melting it down or gluing it down, because this again is a glueless wig. Because of the 3D dome cap, it's gonna make it fit snug onto your head, and it's gonna make it contoured onto your forehead as well. So it's gonna lay flat on your head. What I want to do is to show you guys what it might look like when you water it down and add a little bit of product. So let's try and get this hair wet and use some leave-in conditioner as well on it. This is what the hair looks wet. So it's definitely giving a water wave, fluffy, sexy, defined. Well, this one, I think I like it dry, to be honest with you. I think I like it this way. But since we started doing this, we have to finish it up. So let me wet this side as well. The excess product on my hair to just sleek down the top part, and the product, just a little bit of leave-in condition, feel lush. So this is what the hair looks like when you put a little bit of water and product onto it. This is how it looks. It looks very relaxed. However, once it has dried down and you go ahead to like finger comb it, you're gonna get back that volume that we previously had. But I wanted to see what this looks like in a wet state. If you want to swim with this hair, you know, put water on it. If you want it to look relaxed and kind of like more defined like it is looking right now, then this is what it would look like. It is still a little bit damp. This is not glued down. This is a glueless wig. Let me just show you what I am talking about. I did not glue this down, but it is melted onto my forehead just because of the construction of the wig. This is a 3D dome cap, meaning that it's going to conform to your head and to your forehead as well. So it's going to look like you laid it down. Meanwhile, you didn't. Yeah, I hope you guys enjoyed this video. Thank you OMG Hair for sending me this beautiful unit. This one is a 9x6 lace closure wig, and this is what it looks like. This one came in the length 22 inches, so you do have length, but you have a lot of volume as well. We have detachable wig combs, we have a grip around the perimeter of the wig cap, as well as a drawstring for that extra security. But yeah, what do you guys think about this wig? Let me know down in the comment section. And in case you guys are interested, like always, I'll leave all the links down in my description box, so be sure to check it out. And then I will see you guys in the next one. Until then, make sure you stay blessed and you stay fabulous. Bye guys.